In the world of automotive customization, few transformations stir as much debate as this over-the-top Corvette, currently listed for nearly $95,000 on Car Gurus. Originally a 2008 Chevy Corvette C6, it's now nearly unrecognizable under its flamboyant Valarra body kit, giving off pure supercar vibes with a price tag that's just as dramatic. But the real question remains, is it truly worth the $70,000 markup over a standard C6 Corvette? The seller is clearly hoping to attract a buyer who values unique styling over traditional brand recognition. After all, this isn't a limited edition factory release or a homologation special. It's a heavily modified vehicle that some might say looks like it wandered off the set of a Fast and Furious film. Priced at $94,991, it's almost $70K higher than the typical going rate for a standard C6 Corvette today, which understandably raises eyebrows. This isn't the first time the car has surfaced at auction. Back in May 2024, the same vehicle popped up at a Mecum auctions event. It failed to meet its reserve during bidding, leaving it unsold. A few months later, it appeared again on Cars and Bids, where it again failed to attract a buyer, stopping at a high bid of just $63,475. Despite the lack of success in the auction world, the current seller appears undeterred, testing the waters yet again with a strong asking price and hoping for a buyer captivated by its aggressive design. Digging deeper into the car's history, the Corvette now shows 79,245 miles on its odometer, just a couple thousand more than when it was first spotted last year at 77,500 miles. While mileage plays a role in vehicle pricing, the real selling point here is clearly its wild aesthetics. Every original body panel has been swapped for custom Valarra components. At the front, dramatic design changes include a pronounced splitter, huge intakes, and slim headlights that completely alter the C6's recognizable face. The sides feature unique door skins and sculpted lines, flowing into a rear end that's even more extreme. The tires at the back are exposed as part of a wide-body stance, while an oversized rear wing and massive diffuser finish off the supercar style. The Corvette now rides on aftermarket silver and black wheels, fitting for the aggressive theme. But underneath all the theatrics, this creation remains fundamentally a C6 Corvette. The 2.6.2-liter LS3 V8, known for its reliability and performance, hasn't been modified. It delivers the same 430 horsepower and 424 pound-feet of torque as it did from the factory. While that power was headline-worthy a decade ago, it's modest by today's supercar standards. Still, for enthusiasts who love the raw sound and feel of a naturally aspirated LS engine, that could be a major plus. Ultimately, this car is aimed at a very specific buyer, a person who wants to stand out, doesn't mind the premium price, and is willing to gamble on style over traditional Corvette values. The idea of paying nearly $100,000 for a vehicle with no performance upgrades and a questionable resale future might make financial advisors squirm. But to the right buyer, this one-of-a-kind machine could be irresistible. For most, though, this might just be an entertaining footnote in the ongoing debate over custom cars versus factory originals. Whether you see it as a masterpiece of creativity or simply an expensive mistake, one thing's for sure, it's hard to look away.